What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? With y'all, what's good? What's good? We tuning in for another video, and man, today what's on the agenda is rebuilding another carburetor. So I got it in the house, man, and we're gonna tear it down first, and then I'm gonna show y'all the process of, well, some of it. I'm gonna try to catch some of it, man, but I'm still, you know, I'm learning myself too, so I just want to see how it turn out, man. So we're gonna start tearing into it, and then I'm gonna take it in there, get everything on the inside, and then we're gonna turn y'all on, man. And this vlog, I'm gonna show you the process, tearing it down. We're gonna put it on wifey car, see how it turn out, and all that good stuff. So y'all stay tuned. I'll turn y'all on in a minute. All right, y'all, we're taking in. So plan for today is, I have this, I don't know if it's a 750 or what, I can't remember. It was donated to me by family. Want to give a shout out to my friend Marcus, Ivy. He donated 2 carburetors. They bad and still, they need rebuilding. And this is what I need to practice on. I want different types of carburetors. So this is a vacuum secondary, but it's a 4150 body style. And y'all see I successfully rebuilt my first one, which was a 4160. But this is different. You know, you got the center hung floats. This is more traditional style, what you'll see. No choke housing, and you got 2 discharge nozzles. It's a few differences. They straight leg boosters. So, you know, I'm finna tear this one down. I don't have my rebuild kit yet. It ain't came in. So what I'm gonna do today is practice on part identification. So I got this Ziploc bag, and the plan is to completely disassemble it and put everything in the bag, just all together. Then I'm gonna dump everything out, and I want to make sure I can put it back together. I ain't worried about tearing gaskets and none of that stuff. Just literally, you know, be able to identify what goes where and put it back together, which I think I can. So we're gonna get that done. I'll probably turn y'all on in steps as I take stuff down, because I ain't got my stand and all that, but y'all just stay tuned. All right, y'all, this is what I'm at so far. So I got the front bowl off. The gasket was shot, man. This carburetor been sitting up a long time, but he told me it's been sitting up about 20 years or 15 years. It was actually rebuilt, but he never used it. And like you say, stuff can go bad just sitting up. Weather get it. So the gasket pretty much had deteriorated. So if this would have been used on a car, it would have definitely had problems. The needle and seat, you know, the needle and seat was sticking. That's a given. I don't have no way to test the power valve. I'm gonna go buy me a power valve testing tool. That's the only thing I got left that I gotta get. But I got the metering plate stripped bare. The gasket where the idle mixture screws go was it looked pretty good. And what else? The seals on the fuel bowl bolts look good. And I got it. The diaphragm is still good. I ain't touched that. That is in great shape. The accelerator pump, the gasket actually still intact and everything. But I'm gonna have to take it out because I need to clean that fuel bowl. All right, y'all. So y'all see, I got it all took apart. It actually don't take long. I did it faster then, so I'm getting pretty good at memorizing. It's a lot of pieces, but it ain't a lot of pieces. when you get to tearing into it. This carburetor would have had a bunch of problems. All right, y'all, so it's a few days later and y'all see I got a multitude of carburetors. But look, check this out, man. It been a change of plans. Here it is. So look, y'all see this? This is what I started out working on, y'all saw on the vlog. So as I started getting more into it, tearing it down more and just really looking, I said, okay, I told y'all I'm learning. This carburetor was not gonna work at all. Whoever built this, called my wife cousin, he gave me two of them. He said this one was actually rebuilt. And man, they had a lot of stuff wrong. So the first thing I noticed is a double pumper body, main body. But the first thing I noticed is it had two discharge nozzles in it, aka squirters. And I was like, wait a minute. But it had a vacuum secondary housing on it right here. I said, what the world? I did that wrong. I took that off. Then as I started looking into the base plate even more, well, I mean, it just hit me. I said, this is a vacuum secondary base plate on a double pumper body. They had a 4160 metering plate on, it was a lot of stuff, basically. It was a lot of stuff. So y'all see, I took it back apart. I got to where I had one of the bowls on, cause I was building it. Then I said, this ain't gonna work. Cause I was wondering if I could convert it over. But I'm like, nah, I can't do that. I can't do that to a vacuum secondary, but I can't. So shout out to my fan Frank, Hustle Hard Performance, because he hooked me up, gave me a lot of carburetors. And what he did, he had gave me a main body. Well, he gave me a bunch of them, but it was a main body and a base plate. That's all it was. So all I had, the main body and the base plate, and had nothing else on it. But it was in good shape. I took it apart. I said the base plate clean, the main body's clean. I put it in the carburetor cleaner, and I ended up building it. So, and I don't think I ain't record much of it, cause this a few days later, y'all. So it's on wifey car. I got it installed on the car. I just got the airplane on the car. Man, I've been doing multiple things. Got time. So this is it. So I got it installed on the car. Like I said, it started out as just this and this. So I took parts from the stuff I had. I got a secondary, and basically I made me a double pumper, man. So I had to source some stuff from the parts I had, and I made that was good. And I made me a carburetor. So now we're finna get into see how I do, and y'all stay tuned. All right, y'all, checking in. I just had it fired up. Got the bowl level adjusted. Look. I gotta put the vacuum gauge on it. Then we'll get it right. Almost come out of the All right, so look, y'all. I had a few. No, I didn't have a few. I had one problem, float level. I think I recorded and showed y'all that secondary. So I took it off, and I said, I need to change the float itself. So took it off. It had an old brass float in it, and the spring tension was super tight. So even the level wouldn't raise the float. So I put I think it's neoprene. Correct me if I'm wrong. The black floats, the better ones, the best ones. I changed the float, put a higher quality float on it, adjusted the level right, and let me show y'all what we got. So I'm gonna reach in here. See, I'm very happy about that, man. This is only my second carburetor I ever built, and it turned out great. I mean, it turned out amazing. This thing crispy. I think Mighty Emma might pick the wheels up. The Mighty Emma, this carburetor work better than the one that she have on her car, really. It's just slightly too big though. It's a little too big. I could make it work, but it's too much work to be doing that. But this nag is for sale. Double pumper, 750 CFM, down leg boosters. Got some nice squirters, especially in the back. I love to drive this thing down the road with this on it, bro. I'll probably burn the tires off. But new floats, gaskets, I took it all the way down. This carburetor actually started out as just a main body and a base plate. That's all I had. So then I got a bunch of carburetors now. And I got to shout out to Frank, Hustle Hard Performance. I think I shouted him out earlier. Frank invested in me, man. He gave me a lot of carburetors. Some I use for parts, which this was one of them, a main body and a base plate. And I had enough parts to make this thing work, and I put new stuff in it, and it works so it worked great. Everything clearance right, the accelerator pump, all that. It just turned out good, man. I'm super proud of it. I'm more proud of this one. This ain't my first one, this is my second one, but my first double pumper. And it's a bad machine, man. Yeah, I got one I'm putting together tonight. I think it's 750. I'm putting together tonight. And we're gonna have that one on tomorrow. So we're gonna see how it do. We're gonna have a vlog coming, y'all. And I just got that text. There's another vlog though. But we're gonna have a vlog coming for that. And she behind the camera, but I wanna shout my amazing wife out.
Oh, thank you.
You've been super supportive, man.
Yeah, I got us for you.
She been super supportive, man. Like seriously, all jokes aside. Like I mean, I had a day, y'all. It was a rough day, man. It was a rough day. I don't get mad or nothing, you know. It was just a rough day. Not with people. I don't, you know, my baptism in the Holy Spirit took that away, but it was a rough day. These machines, you know what I'm saying? It just like wasn't nothing clicking right. It wasn't a bad day. We don't have bad days. I mean, we as in people. But it was just, you know, it was a rough one. It like, man, nothing go with plan. Like this stuff went hidden, and she always there to pick me up.
Yeah,
yeah, you've been super supportive.
Got to, yeah, we supposed to support each other.
I told her I'm still figuring this out, and she said, "Nah, you got it. Like I really believe you can do everything.
Yeah.
You got it." I was like, "I'm figuring it out."
Yeah, I do feel like he can do everything.
She keeps saying I got it. I'm saying
I tell her all the time.
I feel like you can do everything. I told her, "Hey, you can pick the house up if you want to." I got that much faith in her. Yeah, I want to shout her out, and I want to shout out her cousin Marcus Ivy. I think I shouted him out earlier too. My little brother Cedro too. There's a lot of people been supportive of this, man. You know, the people that ready for me to build a carburetor already, I'm like, y'all still learning. Hey, I want to bring it to you. So y'all gonna have some stuff coming, man. We're gonna get a better setup and stuff too. And yeah, I know I'm talking a lot, but I'm just happy about this. I'm sharing the moment with y'all, man. This is a lost art. A lot of people don't know how to do this, and you know it's gonna die off as the older generation die off, cause more people getting into computers and stuff. So this gonna die off. You know, younger people, younger generation. So yeah, I'm finna take this off. Our job is complete today. I'm gonna build another one tonight, cause we gotta run. I gotta ship some mufflers and stuff, man, and all that. But I appreciate y'all. I'm gonna catch y'all later. BCG, we out.